Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at best Blender add-ons, released in September, that will take your 3D projects to the next level. First on the list is Auto Blend, a new add-on by Specular, the creator of Cell Fluids and all these tools. Auto Blend, one of those add-ons that makes your blending life easier. This clever tool uses Blender's compositor combined with Cryptomatte to blend objects together in screen space. So instead of editing geometry or fighting with material hacks, you can simply tag which materials should blend, and Auto Blend smooths out the seams between separate objects right in the viewport render. It works in both cycles and EV, and it doesn't really care how complex your scene is. Just keep in mind, since it's a render trick, it won't carry over to game engines and doesn't support transparent materials. And like most screen space effects, it can behave a little unpredictably when objects overlap. But inside those limits, it's a seriously cool way to create the illusion of seamless geometry with almost no extra work. By the way, if you want to master Blender right now, the folks at CG Boost are celebrating their 6th birthday with 30% off on all the courses and 15% on course bundles because they are already discounted. So whether you want to learn the basics or want to master specific fields, CG Boost has everything you need. Fauna Master Pro, a powerful add-on for adding animated wildlife into your Blender scenes. It comes with a huge library, over 150 different animal species including birds, fish, land animals, and insects. The beauty is how easy it is to use. You place animals in your scene, and they automatically come to life with built-in animations and real-time behavior. They'll navigate terrain, avoid collisions, flock together, and even follow or chase targets, all without needing to bake simulations. This makes it perfect for quickly populating environments with believable movement, whether you're building a forest, ocean scene, or even a desert. For environment artists, it's an absolute time saver, and considering the amount of content you get, it's a bargain. The developers behind Lazy 3D are known for solid tools, so this one definitely deserves attention. And if you already own Lazy's best-selling bundle, then you get Fauna Master for free. Next, we have the best tool for retopology called Oktopo, Remesher for Blender. If you've ever struggled with face retopology, this tool is basically a dream come true. Instead of manually working through every little detail, you just place some markers on the face, and the tool automatically generates clean, optimized topology. It gives you full control over polygon counts and alignment while cutting out hours of tedious manual work. UVs are auto-generated too, so you don't have to worry about unwrapping. Right now, this is focused on heads and faces, but a full-body version is planned for the future, which is exciting to think about. Whether you're doing retopo on a photogrammetry scan or a sculpted character, this add-on makes the process quick, clean, and efficient. Shader Shaper, a tool from 3D Illusion that generates bump, normal, and depth maps in a single click. It's GPU accelerated and comes with features like distortion removal, interactive smoothing, micro detail control, and export options. If you've ever struggled with weird shading issues after using booleans or combining complex meshes, this add-on is going to be a game changer. It provides a full suite of tools for smoothing, transferring, and bending normals, allowing you to blend inserted meshes seamlessly into other surfaces, meaning you can finally get rid of those unwanted seams and artifacts that tend to pop up. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your hard surface workflow. Whether you're working on clean mechanical parts or detailed models with lots of small pieces, Normal Magic helps you control exactly how the lighting interacts across surfaces. No more endless manual tweaking to fix odd reflections. It's definitely one of those add-ons that's going to become a must-have for anyone who cares about professional shading and presentation. Sirius Lights. Sirius Lights is a Blender add-on designed to create and manage advanced light collections with speed, flexibility, and precision. It allows you to generate large numbers of lights in structured patterns, circles, spheres, grids, curves, and meshes, apply randomized transformations, and control their colors and properties in a single unified interface. So, if you are into creating beautiful lighting system, then this add-on is perfect for you. Next one is, for blur effects, called Cineblur Bokeh add-on. Ever wished your Blender renders had that dreamy, film-quality blur you see in Hollywood movies? With Cineblur, you can bring cinematic depth and stunning bokeh straight into your compositor. No complicated setups required. What makes it special? One-click import. You can use Shift+A in the node compositor to instantly drop in the node and start tweaking. No hunting through menus or tedious node setups. 32+ organic lens kernels, from hexagons, triangles, and circular fringe to anamorphic streaks, and more. Each kernel brings its own character and feel, giving your shot a truly professional finish. So, if you want to add realism into your render's backgrounds, then this is something for you. Now let's talk about Blender Kit, one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. Blender Kit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 103,000 Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you get 10% on Pro Plan. Further, we have a new simple city generator, a lightweight geometry node setup for making cityscapes. It's designed to generate believable urban backdrops quickly without going into complex modeling. You get 10 modular building assets and a simple interface with 11 sliders to control city density, size variation, random rotations, and even lighting options like window illumination or full night mode. The buildings look good out of the box and can be dressed up with extra details like antennas or rooftop equipment. It works in both cycles and EV, making it a flexible tool for creating city environments fast. However, if you want powerful city generator, then there is iCity. It is the most feature-packed city generator, and it recently had an update that made it very fast to edit the city. This one is an ambitious city building add-on. The workflow is straightforward. You start by drawing simple lines and faces to outline your city, and the add-on instantly transforms them into streets and buildings. Out of the box, it comes with a massive asset library, over 300 items, including more than 60 street pieces, dozens of pre-made buildings, and over 20 procedural building styles. You can adjust everything from street widths to building height and instantly swap architectural styles, so each city ends up feeling distinct. And the best part, you can even export it to Unreal Engine, Unity, and other real-time engines, ideal for high-performance environments and cross-platform pipelines. Trust me guys, iCity is the easiest way to build your city with literally no time. Next we have LensFX. Say goodbye to clean, sterile renders. LensFX is a powerful, fully customizable tool that simulates realistic camera lens effects, from subtle dust specks to dramatic animated raindrops. Designed for efficiency and artistic control, this is your secret weapon for creating authentic, breathtaking visuals. Next is Tab Easy Decal. This one is being pitched as a completely new approach to applying decals inside Blender. They're running a launch promotion right now, and if you already own Stampit, you can even grab it for 50% off. With Easy Decal, you can quickly place, scale, and rotate images directly on your models. Features include auto-parenting, easy duplication, quick image swapping, layering, and automatic projection. The UI is clean, organized, and designed for efficiency. Perfect if you like adding extra details or surface imperfections without breaking your workflow. Tab has a history of creating solid tools, so this one definitely deserves a look. That's it for best September add-ons. Now, we are going to take a look at top underrated add-ons. Moving on, we have Cloudhaven, the ultimate cloud FX toolkit. It includes 600+ high-resolution VDB clouds with a smart FX add-on for procedural lightning, tornadoes, and procedural clouds, with one-click VDB export. Power your scenes in seconds. Generate, customize, and export stunning procedural effects for your Blender projects. Or if you are looking for beautiful, stylized clouds for Blender, then take a look at Rise Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR/stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. On the visual effects side, The real-time Aura Effects pack gives you 14 drag-and-drop aura effects, from glowing energy fields and magical flames to swirling smoke and crackling electricity. The pack uses 8K flipbook textures for high-detail visuals and is designed for EV, meaning you can see results instantly in the viewport. Each effect is customizable, letting you change colors, mix textures, and layer elements for unique results. Up next is Gobos Master. Rendering realistic shadows in large scenes can be a computational nightmare, especially when adding objects like trees and windows just for their shadows. When dealing with 500 to 1,000 frames of animation, this can waste a significant amount of processing power. That's where Gobos Master comes in. By eliminating unnecessary geometry, it optimizes efficiency and dramatically reduces render times. It's a comprehensive library covering 13 categories of over 193 high-quality Gobos to create ultra-realistic shadows in your scenes. And the best part, you can easily add Gobos with the Gobos Master add-on panel, and all the mapping controls are there for easier access. Right now, it's over 40% off, an additional 10% off coupon with only 10 uses. So if you're looking to add realism to your work, Gobos Master is a perfect choice. Cliffs and Rocks Scans Collection by Purse. So this pack offers you 120 cliffs and 60 rocks professionally scanned and processed 3D assets. PBR textures includes albedo, roughness, normal, and displacement for 90 assets. Highly detailed, baked down from up to 171 million polygon meshes, up to 8K materials. Optimized for Blender assets range from 10K to 500K polygons. 4 demo blend files includes the original .blend files used for the preview renders. Massive discount bundle $350 worth of cliff and rock assets for just $99 to keep things organized. Just drag the assets into your scene. Further, we have Housify. It is a geometry nodes-based tool that generates buildings based on your meshes with the ability to edit them in real time. It currently features 30 unique building modules and angled roof types, giving you the tools to create detailed and atmospheric buildings. You can construct houses. Whether you're building luxury houses, cozy cottages, hunting lodges, old building, constructive buildings, or entire villages, Housify gives you the flexibility and creative freedom to bring your architectural visions to life. Add ivy and tree, flower and pots to your scene to create a natural and cozy feel. You can set up a random distribution, density, and height. This is a great tool for anyone who is looking to create beautiful houses fast and easily in Blender. That's it for now. All these add-ons are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let me know what caught your eye in the comments. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it around. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss an update.